Hi guys, Brennan here, and it's been a couple years that I haven't uploaded in this channel, Brennan Reacts, and today I am going to talk about this girl, Sophie the Gacha Cutie, and warning, you will not like this, that I'm gonna talk about her boyfriend getting cooked by me, bro. I'm not cringe.
Dance if you hate me, you.
Hmm.
Hum.
Bruh, I was absolutely cringed by the way she said that
Why are you dancing?
entitled talaga
Mike.
ito. Blood
Who
is
did this to
entitled.
you?
I
This
told
is
that
the
person.
this is the guy that I am definitely going to kill. Sorry.
Over there to dance if they hated me and they danced.
That's entitled. That's literally entitled. And I literally changed. Ikaw naman yung hangin. Guys, if you don't understand Tagalog, then learn. This is mostly for Filipinos. Bruh! Dude. He should have... if he were to do that to a really holy person, he's done for. Blood is done for. If... That is unacceptable, bro. The... Stupid Karen. I wish... If the guy that you just destroyed was my little bro or my cousin or either my bros, you're cooked. Inyel or Aaron, I will not tolerate your actions. I do not express how much I hate you. Magot. No, guys. You weren't supposed to see that. Well, that's it for today. Sorry guys, no offense.